Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for science and educational choice business, easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to sign up for free. So let's get started now. After you sign up, it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so wait a few seconds. So as you see here, this is the dashboard here where you're gonna set up your website and storefront. So click here, set up your website and storefront. It will take you to the editor page. Okay, so here you have to go to the settings and go to the template and select from here the template which you want to use for science and educational choice. If the topic or the template isn't here, you can select just a random one and design it on your homepage or edit it on your homepage. So for example, I'm gonna choose just a random one like this one. Okay, like this one here. So you have to change everything on this template. So start with the header in the menu. So you go to the site logo and enter here your site name. Okay, after this you have to manage the navigation menu, so you can delete all these menu items and add yours. Okay, in the design, so in the design of any section you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive so anyone can visit your site and attract your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size and like the color. Okay, all these simple details, it's important to make your site looks better and attractive. So that's it. Now let's move on. Okay, let's move on to the next section, the cover and the headline. So you have to change here the title and the description. So I'm gonna add my description. Here in the description, for example, you can introduce your business to your customers. Welcome to our site for science and educational choice. Okay, after this you add the tagline and you have to change also the image. So go to the browser and search on science and so you can choose one of these images here. Okay, I need just a simple one. Okay, um, I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, so this it depends on your business. You can select whatever you like from this image here. So this, for example, I'm gonna select this one. Okay, I have to change the image. Okay, I'm gonna select this one or maybe this. Okay, I'm gonna select this. Okay, so after this you have to change the design, the layout. Okay, I'm gonna select this one, and the background, of course you have to change the color, so any color you like, just make sure it's match with the topic and with the business. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the store section. So here you have to create your product, so go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. Now as you see, go on your products. Here you have to add your product gallery, the name of your product, the REF, the weight 1 kilogram, and also you can customize here the prices options. And don't forget the description of your product. So after you're done, you can save this place, save this section here, and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the title, the product name, the product image, and the product price. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. If any section you don't need it, you can just click on it and delete it from here. Just click here, delete, and it will be removed. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So here, for example, you can use this description to talk about a little bit about your company informations. Why should your customers buy from you or use your services, something like this. And of course, don't forget this details of the background. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move on the next section. So you can keep this image if it's matched with your business. If it isn't, you can choose another one from here. Okay, so of course you have to add the description and the title and the tagline. After this, choose your favorite layout like this. Now let's go back, let's move on to the customer reviews. So you have to delete all these reviews and add your review text, author name, and the rating. After this, choose your favorite layout. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back. Now let's move on to the delivery information. So you can the same thing as normal, nothing special here. Just change the design and add here your subtitle and the description, talk about your delivery informations, and that's it. Now let's move on to the contacts. So here you can add the description and the location, the text. Of course you have to change the image. um, if this image match your business, you can keep it like this. You have to enter here your business address, and you have to enter the daily hours of the business, your work, and you can enter here the contact information and the social profiles. Okay, so after this, and the design, I rather to choose this one here of the map in the background. So here you can scroll on the map and scroll on your location on the map. Okay, it's more better than the other layout here. So that's it. After this, the last section here, the footer section, enter here just your company name for the copyright, and that's it. You have after this you have if you want to add a section, you can just click here, you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and verify if something needs to change on your website. So after you verify, just publish it, and now you can start selling, you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.